industrial journey begins at the source of raw material life.
Only the highest grade raw hides are selected for processing. Precision handling ensures purity from the very first step. Industrial cleaning transforms raw hides into usable material.
Controlled storage preserves material integrity before extraction. The material now moves toward transformation facilities. Across distances, raw material travels toward industrial transformation.
The journey reaches the heart of production.
Every batch is logged before transformation begins.
Now the true transformation is ready to begin.
The factory awakens, preparing for full-scale transformation.
Every material enters under strict hygiene control.
The first stage of refinement begins with precise sorting.
Deep cleaning removes every trace of impurity.
Purity is achieved through controlled purification pressure. Molecular breakdown prepares raw fibers for transformation. Structure begins to dissolve into usable essence. Ingredients merge into the foundation of luxury soap.
The base now rests before precision refinement begins.
The journey advances into high-tech transformation systems.
Heat and precision begin shaping the final formula.
Premium ingredients transform function into luxury. Premium ingredients transform function into luxury.
Refinement removes imperfections hidden within the blend.
Uniformity is engineered through relentless motion.
Cooling stabilizes the evolving structure of the soap.
Pressure begins shaping the product into form. The refined blend now takes visible shape. The refined blend now takes visible shape.
Precision cutting creates consistency in every bar. The product now approaches its final identity. Every bar receives the mark of luxury and identity. Precision finishing enhances both texture and appearance.
Nothing is wasted inside modern soap manufacturing. Multiple production lines operate continuously around the clock. Robotic handling keeps production fast, clean, and efficient. Every bar is prepared for protective retail packaging. The production line now moves into its final refinement stages. Precision finishing ensures every package looks flawless. Every product is digitally tracked for industrial accountability. Accurate weight control protects product consistency worldwide. Packaging systems prepare thousands of cartons every hour. Automation keeps packaging fast, organized, and hygienic. Each carton is sealed for secure transport and retail delivery. Bulk packaging prepares the products for large-scale distribution. Finished products are organized for efficient storage and shipping. Before dispatch, every production batch undergoes final verification. Every production batch faces strict quality inspection before release. Precise moisture control helps preserve shelf stability. The iconic Luxe fragrance must remain identical in every batch.
Safety inspections ensure the products remain hygienic and reliable.
Every label is checked for accuracy and traceability. The finished products are now ready for dispatch across the world. Finished Luxe soap is stored in highly organized distribution warehouses. Every pallet is digitally tracked before global shipment. The final stage of distribution begins at the loading docks.
Pallet secured, moving to bay 2. Clear on the left. Pallet in place, next one ready.
Millions of soap bars are prepared for transport every week. A global supply network keeps products moving continuously.
Lock secure.
Every shipment is sealed and documented before departure.